Hey, what up, everybody? It's McTwist and
BoxGhost.
look at this shit right here. We're gonna drink it,
What is it? We don't know.
but we're gonna drink it. It's been in our fridge for how long?
2 weeks.
It's been in the fridge for at least 2 weeks. We're not sure what the hell it is. Sniff test. I'm hoping it's
sweet.
alcohol. It's extremely sweet.
It smells like cough drops.
Interesting.
And there's like a slight foam.
Uh-huh. Ooh, you know what? Do I detect almost cinnamony, almost like there's fireball in this or something. All right, you want to first sips?
Yeah. Huh. I'm getting fireball-y. It's like fireballs and candy.
Ooh. What I'm really wondering, what the hell are these things inside it?
The cough drops.
Those were to dissolved in 2 weeks.
Oh man.
Good news number
Hey,
one.
that's a good idea though. That's a terrible idea.
Good news number one. It doesn't taste like ass.
It looks like something that came from the sewer though, but it tricks you.
Hey.
It's not bad.
Good news number two. It's actually kind of good, low key.
Ignore that. Oh, hold on.
Whoa.
Wait. They're soft.
They're soft.
Yeah, they're soft.
It's not hard candy that would have dissolved.
Well, I mean,
Are they jellies? Is it boba?
it's gotta be jellies. I mean, you gotta drink the rest of it to like get one.